Good morning. My name is Jashwantraj here. This is TIBP. So here I'm going to create a volume and attach to the virtual machine. To do that, we have to go for dashboard. Then we have to click on volume. Under here, we can see there is a button called create volume. We have to click that one. Under 30 GB, I will specify 10 GB. 10 GB here. After that, based on the available zone, I have selected this US East 1A. Then I'm going to create the click on that create volume button. After that, let me see. It's still creating. Now it's available to use. Here I'm going to select this one. After that, I head for action, then click on attach volume. Then here I will select the existing one. Then I will assign it to XPDF. Then I will attach the volume. Once it is done, it will show successfully attached. Then I will open the virtual machine. Here you can see we have successfully attached that one. I will initiate the disk, then select GPT. After this, I will go to create the new virtual hard disk. Yeah, now it's done. To see that, I will head back to my computer. Here in this PC, we can see this is the newly installed virtual disk. This is how we do AWS in AWS within EBS. This is how we usually attach virtual hard disk. Thank you.